Which of the following feature is not present in Periplaneta americana? Option A, Schizocoelom as body cavity. Yes, this is present in Periplaneta americana. It is an arthropod with a schizocoelom where the body cavity is formed by the splitting of mesodermal cells. So that means option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, indeterminate and radial cleavage during embryonic development. This is incorrect statement because this feature is not present in Periplaneta americana. That is, indeterminate and radial cleavage is characteristic of deuterostomes, that is, echinoderms, chordates, etc. Periplaneta exhibits determinate and spiral cleavage during embryonic development. So that means option B is the correct answer because it is not present in Periplaneta americana. Coming to option C, exoskeleton is composed of N-acetyl glucosamine. This is a true statement because the exoskeleton of Periplaneta americana is made up of chitin, and chitin is a polysaccharide which is made up of N-acetyl glucosamine. So option C is an incorrect answer. Option D, metamerically segmented body. This is also correct. Periplaneta americana exhibits metamerism, meaning its body is segmented into repeated parts, for example, head, thorax, abdomen. So that means option D is also incorrect answer. The correct answer is option B.